Hi guys, so I bring you the Raptor center console. I was so excited to put the Raptor binnacle, stainless steel. It went so fine inside the Defender that I decided to take also the center console to make it match. I'm gonna assemble it and I hope you enjoy all the work. Okay, so this is the Raptor center console made of stainless steel. It's a robust piece of art for sure. I got here one of the most common central consoles guys in Defender normally install. It's the mud one in plastic. Okay, a little bit smaller than the Raptor. The mud, you're gonna have to open the holes according to the stuff that you want to put: car links, USBs, 1-DIN radios or 2-DIN radios. The Raptor works differently. So on the website you can choose from a lot of configurations. I decided to go for a special configuration while I design the holes that I want and they cut it according to your specifications, but you have a lot of choices to go from, either for the top panel, either for the lower panel, 2-DIN radio, 1-DIN radio, CBs, USBs, car links, switches, whatever. I think this piece is gonna make a nice pair with the Raptor binnacle. Let's try it out. Let's put it inside the car, install it, and you guys are gonna see it for yourself. This is how my console looks like today. I got a mud console installed. It's been some years using it, and also the past owners. We had some USBs that were not well mounted, buttons that were relocated. I think it's time for a refurbishment, and we're gonna make it look as good as the binnacle over there. Let's see how it works out. I'm gonna start the first phase, that is disassembling everything that's inside here, identifying all the wires to change it back after to the Raptor console. Let's do this. Since I have here so many wires, so many connections, I'm taking the chance to review everything, identify everything with some tags so that I get this all right when I assemble it back together. So it's gonna be a hard mission, but I'm gonna try my best. Along with the dashboard console from Raptor, you get this template to drill and cut. You can use this template to transfer it to a cardboard to check in the car the measurements that you have to cut. I'm marking here the holes to screw it to the dashboard. 1, 2. My dashboard was already cut out for the mud console. Now this Raptor Engineering one is a little bit bigger. With the template provided, we are supposed to use these 2 existing holes and screw them on the console that we had here. I only have 1 hole left, so if your Defender is original, you will have here a dashboard and these 2 holes to use. Just need to cut this small piece here. I'm gonna take this plastic trim just out of the way. So I will start by cutting the plastic trim out of the way first of all. using my favorite tool, the Dremel. Let's start cutting. After having cut, I place the plastic back with a tape just to know where I need to cut. I place it over here, so now with the Dremel I'm gonna do this cut. To make the assembly easier, I'm gonna remove the front panel, either the top and the lower one, to fit the switches and everything, and to fit it in the car perfectly. Just gonna use this piece now to put it inside the car. So now that the holes are opened, I'm gonna place the binnacle inside, passing all the wires through the holes of the binnacle, and I'm gonna test fit it, and looks awesome. So we got two holes here on the binnacle that are going to screw to the existing metal plates in the ashtray support in the Land Rover to make it sturdy and hold to the car. I'm going to fix it now. Okay, so I fixed the dashboard using the two screws provided. Now I'm missing to organize all these cables around here and start to put the buttons and the panel and the head unit, the radio. One more job. Top panel is installed. I got my CarPlay working. I'm so glad. It looks awesome. I already set up all the rocker switches, negative wires. Now I'm going to set up the positive ones. I'm so glad I got this tool here, man. It's making me easy and peasy to do this job, just like this. God bless the guy that invented this. So I'm going to continue this journey. Now I'm going to put the lower panel. God, this looks great. My God. All working. Perfect. Missing the stickers to identify each button. I'm gonna now try to sort out what stickers I want to put to organize here the console buttons. Raptor console is finally installed and I already used it in a few trips. I can honestly say that I'm really impressed in how it's performing. The build quality is solid, I have no rattles, no cheap plastics, it's just sturdy aluminium. It feels like it's built to last. It gives the interior a much cleaner look, and with the ability to fine-tune it according to your needs, it becomes a real centerpiece on the car. What really surprised me most was the attention it got from my friends. Every time somebody comes in on my Defender, it's the first thing that they noticed. So, final thoughts. The Raptor console is one of the best upgrades I've done into the Defender interior for sure. It's solid, it's functional, makes the dash look much better. You might need to spend a little more time planning, cutting, mounting, but it's part of the fun. And the flexibility it gives you, it's totally worth it. If you're upgrading your Defender, this console is a great investment. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned, there's gonna be more, and all the best.